So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'll be discussing about Intel Recruitment Drive 2021. So Intel is hiring for the role of graduate intern technical position and it's for the Bangalore location. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon because every day we are uploading minimum of 1 to 2 videos regarding latest off campus and about the preparation or the interview preparation videos or the guides. So if you are not subscribing to our YouTube channel, so later you may not get updates regarding latest off campus. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. And also right now Flex and Swiggy and Accenture are hiring for the different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I'm putting the link of this off campus in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus as well by simply checking your eligibility criteria. And I'm requesting all of you to please watch this video till the end. Don't skip any of this part because I know most of the candidates will not be eligible for this off campus. But I have another opportunity for you all, those who are not applicable or eligible for this off campus. So please watch this video till the end for more details. So this is the career portal of Intel. And also let me tell you one thing. So I have seen that most of the viewers or the some of the viewers are commenting like you are posting fake jobs or you are doing the fake advertisement, etc. So let me tell you one thing. So at the top, if you see carefully, it is written jobs.intel.com. That means this is the career, or you can say the genuine portal of intel.com. It's the genuine career portal. So sometimes what happens, if you are watching our video after 30 days or 40 days of the publishing this video, so at that time definitely the job profile will get expired. So at that moment, if you are clicking the link in the description of the videos, definitely it will show you that the job is expired or job is not found. So here, if you see carefully in the official website, every time the job ID and other things are mentioned clearly. So don't blindly say that we are posting the fake jobs or the fake advertisement we are doing. So please don't blame all these things or don't say all these things. Please watch our videos in time and apply for the job profiles before they get expired. So now let's discuss. So the job profile, they're hiring for a graduate engineer, intern, technical, Bangalore location, and job ID as you discussed earlier, and job category is intern or student. So after completing the internship, they may hire as a they may hire you as a full-time employee for this profile. Then primary location is Bangalore. Later you can ask for the relocation if you want. Then job type intern or internship. So now let's discuss about the job description or the job responsibilities. So in this position, you will be involving in training, designing or development or deployment of the next generation server. So you'll be responsible for the defining the PLCI, structural design and development, deployment, etc. So later you can go through all these things, what we'll be doing if you are joining this profile. So for the timing, we are skipping this part so that we can save our time, or directly we can jump into the main eligibility criteria, or you can say main part of this video. Then qualification required is you should be a student, postgraduate, masters, that means ME, MTech or MS. That means currently pursuing your studies. That means all the 2021 and 2022 year of pass out or the batch candidates are eligible for this profile. And all the ME, MTech, that means postgraduate candidates are eligible. If you see carefully at the top, they have mentioned graduate intern. Undergraduate students or candidates are not eligible for this profile, unfortunately. But don't worry, in the next off campus or in the second part of this video, you can apply for this job profile if you are an undergraduate candidate or student. So qualification, apart from this, other things are not there. This is the main or important criteria here, and also the relevant field of study. That means currently pursuing studies in relevant field. That means all the CSIT, CSE, ECE candidates are eligible for this job profile. No non-IT candidates are eligible. That means all the mechanical, civil or chemical background, etc. candidates are not eligible. So now let's discuss about the other job profile. So this profile is for the undergraduate technical intern Bangalore. Apart from the job profile, other things are same. Job ID is different, and job category is intern or student, and they are hiring for Bangalore, same as of the previous one. Only the job profile is different, undergraduate technical intern, and the job role and the description or the job responsibilities are same as of the previous one. Qualification is the senior or an undergraduate degree in electrical or engineering or computer science related background. Here, undergraduates candidates like BE, BTech, etc. candidates can apply for this job profile. BE, BTech, BSc, etc. candidates can apply for this job profile. If you belong to the undergraduate degree, you can apply. And also, they have not specified any year of pass out here. That means all the 2019 or 2020, 21, 22 candidates can apply for this job profile. But in the previous one, they have strictly mentioned that currently pursuing studies in the relevant field, but here they have not specified. That means all the 2019 or 2020 year of pass out candidates can apply for this job profile, no issues. And let me tell you one thing. So if you are clicking on the apply link in the description of this video, and if you are seeing that here the job is expired, no issues, you can click on the first one and check here at the right side. Here, graduate, intern, technical, many job profiles are there with different job IDs. So if you are eligible for this off campus or for this job ID or job profile, also you can apply. Here the job ID is 28338. If you see carefully here, the job ID is different, but the job profile is same. So you can apply for the multiple job profiles as well if you are eligible. Qualification, if you see carefully, pursuing master degree. So if you see here, the job profile is expired, and here the job profile is active right now. You can apply if you are eligible. So please go through everything or the all the suggested jobs. So if you are interested for the job profile, simply you need to click on the apply button here. After that, you need to join their community or you need to join their career portal. So first of all, you need to certify that you are 16 plus, then click on the checkbox, then proceed. After that, you need to provide your first name, last name, email address, country of region. Then you need to attach your updated resume, educational details you need to provide. Then after that, you need to agree the terms and condition, then 7 continue. After that, you will be able to apply for this job profile. So this is all about the application process. So I hope you get a clear idea about this off campus. If you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can ask, or you can say comment your issues in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.